Today, we will talk about the FHA 203K loan. An FHA 203 loan is a type of government-insured mortgage that allows the borrower to take out one loan for two purposes: home purchase and home renovation. An FHA 203K loan is essentially an FHA construction loan. The FHA 203 loan is meant to encourage families in low to moderate income brackets to purchase homes that are in dire need of repairs, especially homes that are situated in old communities. The program allows an individual to buy a home and renovate it under one fixed rate or adjustable rate mortgage. There are two types of 203 loans: limited 203K and standard 203K. The loans apply only to individuals and families who intend on making the property their primary residence. The Federal Housing Administration introduced the 203K loan specifically to encourage low-income earners who do not qualify for a standard mortgage to choose to live in neglected neighborhoods and upgrade them. It is important to note that the FHA is not a lender; rather, it is a mortgage insurer. You get an FHA 203 loan by applying through your bank, credit union, or another lender. Here are three key takeaways. 1. An FHA 203K loan is a government-backed mortgage that is essentially a construction loan that finances both the purchase and repairs of a home. 2. These loans are intended to support homeownership among lower-income households, allowing them to improve and update older properties as their primary residence. 3. The FHA offers different varieties of the 203K loan depending on the extent of repairs needed. Hope this would help. Thanks for watching.